The solution to the equation. Step 1. Isolate the square root and square both sides. Step 2. Expand the left side. Step 3. Set up the equation. We now have. Bring all terms to the left. Simplify. We want to find roots of. And recall the domain conditions. So no root between 0 and 1. We try another numbers, meaning a root between 3 and 4. So a root between 4 and 5. We test several values of on both sides of the equation for finding the root, but we see that none of them make the two sides equal. From domain and sign checks, only values in 1 or x can satisfy the original equation. Try checking for solutions explicitly at x equals 1 and x equals 4. No solution. Numerical approximation shows to approximate roots near 4.3 and x equals 5, but plugging back rejects them. Check x equals 2 and x equals 3 suggests no solution. Since the quartic has no rational roots, and no candidate values satisfy, no real solutions exist to the